Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today I'm going to show you how to connect to the wireless Apple CarPlay. If you have purchased the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto from our option, then you will have this Apple CarPlay adapter. This is the wireless Apple CarPlay adapter. In the package, you will run the USB from the back of the unit, and then you can run it to the glove box. You can just connect this Apple CarPlay to the USB of the unit. Once you connect to the USB, then you will have the pop-up message here. You will click on this one, click OK. The Apple CarPlay app is called AutoKit. If you don't have this software, you can always download this software from our website. And then you can just grant the authorization of the software. First of all, you will see the AutoKit right here. The wireless Apple CarPlay, the technology is you will use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning, but once they get paired by Bluetooth, the system will switch to the Wi-Fi at the background to transfer the data. Because the Bluetooth is not enough, the bandwidth of the Bluetooth is not enough to support the Apple CarPlay. So basically, wireless Apple CarPlay, they will use the Wi-Fi to transfer the data at the background. While you use the wireless Apple CarPlay, you cannot use the Wi-Fi hotspot to watch the YouTube or Netflix at the same time. If you decide to watch the YouTube or Netflix, you cannot use the wireless Apple CarPlay. So first of all, once you connect this one, you will need to go here, and then you will need to update the software, make sure it's updated. But for sure, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot. You can see that we can update the firmware here, but when you do the update, do not unpop the USB or turn off the car. Otherwise, you will break the unit. And then wait until you finish. Perfect. The update will start automatically. Just keep that in mind. The upgrade will be start automatically, and do not turn off the power. Okay, once it's done, the CarPlay box will reboot by itself. Just be patient and then wait until the Bluetooth recognizes again. The device is rebooting now. Okay, perfect. Now we are ready to connect to the Apple CarPlay. How to connect to the Apple CarPlay? First of all, you need to bring the iPhone and then go to Setting, go to Bluetooth. Search the Bluetooth device, AutoKit. You can see that on your Bluetooth device, you will see the AutoKit. Connect to the AutoKit. And then you will grant, there will be a message show up on the screen, use CarPlay. Perfect. This is wireless Apple CarPlay. You can see that it's very nice, it's very smooth. Alright, if you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.